My neighbor and I share a fence between our properties. Last month, a storm damaged it badly, leaving several panels broken. I reached out to discuss splitting the repair costs since it's a shared boundary. The conversation started normally, but things took an unexpected turn. My neighbor flat out refused to contribute, claiming it was entirely my responsibility. When I showed them the property laws stating shared fences are joint responsibilities, they became defensive. Instead of having a reasonable discussion, they started blasting music at odd hours and letting their dog into my yard through the broken fence panels. Their passive-aggressive behavior has made the situation much worse. I decided to take action and contacted our local homeowners association. They confirmed that fence maintenance is indeed a shared responsibility. Now my neighbor is furious about being reported, but I stand firm on my decision. The situation has created tension in the neighborhood, with other residents taking sides. Some support my approach, while others think I should have handled it differently.